how are you? Today we'll solve General Revision on Unit 3 from Maths book. Question number 1 complete. 9 times 27 equal 9 times space plus 9 times 7. We have here 9 constant and 27 equal 20 plus 7. Then we must write in this space 20. Okay, 20 here. Okay, because 27 equal 20 plus 7. Question number 2. 234 times 57 equal 200 times 50 plus 200 times 7, 200 times 7 plus we have here parentheses and 30 times 50 and 30 times 7 and 4 times 50. Okay, 4 times 50 and 4 times 7. Again, you want to find 30 times what? 30 times 7, right? In space 7. Okay, in this space we write what? 30 times what? Times 7. Write 7 in space about question number 2. Question number 3. We have here question number 3. Question number 3 here. 4 and 231 thousandths times 3. We can find the result. 3 times 1 equal 3. 3 times 3 equal 9. 3 times 2 equal 6. And 3 times 4 equal 12. Question number 4. 21 times 64. We can find the result by right long multiplication. 21 times 64. Right, 1 times 4 equal 4 and 1 times 6 equal 6 plus 0. 2 times 4 equal 8 and 2 times 6 equal 12. 4 plus 0 equal 4. 6 plus 8 equal 14. 4 and the carry of 1. 2 plus 1 equals 3 and write 1. Then the result will be 1344. Question number 5. 6 times 87 plus 2 times 87 equal space times 87. We have here 87 constant. Then we must add 2 plus 6 equal 8. Write 8 in space here about question number 5. Question number 6. The product of 899 times 11 is closer to the product of space times space. We know 899 is nearest to 900 and 11 is nearest to 10. So the product here will be close to 900 times 10. Right in space here 910. Because he tell me in this example we want to find the closer to the product of what? 899 times 11 is closer to 900 times 10. Question number 7. If 4 multiplication by m equals 16, then the value of m equal what? M here equal 4 because 4 times 4 equal 16. 4 multiplication by m equals 16, then m equal 4 because 4 times 4 equals 16. Question 8. 43 times 26 equals 3 times 6 plus 3 times 20 plus 3 times again 3 times 20 plus 40 times 6 plus 40 times space. We used here the expanded form about multiplication. 3 lies in the ones, 3 times 6 plus 3 multiplication by 20 plus 4 here, it will be 40 times 20 plus 40 times 6. So we must write in this space 20, write 20 in space, 40 times 20. Write in this space 20. About question 8, write 40 times what? 40 times 20, because 2 lies here in the teens. Write 20 in the space. 40 times 20, write 20 in the question 8. Next question, number 9. 7 times 74 equals 7 times 4 plus 7 times space. We have here 4 in the ones, okay, and 7 in teens. So 7 times 74, it will be 7 times 4 plus 7 times 70. Using distributive properties, 7 multiplication by 4 plus 7 multiplication by 70. Write 70 in this space about question number 9. Next question, number 10. Space times 9 equal 900,000. We can write here 100. Okay, write 100 in this space. 100 times 9 equal 900,000. We must write 100,000 in the space. Okay, next question. Question 11. 253 equal 50 times 200 plus 70 times 50 plus 70 times 3 plus 4 times 200 plus 4 times 50 plus 4 times 3. So we can find the number here in this space by 8. This number is the form here. He writes this form, expanded form, and decomposed about any number, use distributive properties. The result will be what? 70 plus 4, it will be 74. Then you must write in this space 74, because 70 plus 4 equals 74. Right here, 74. Understood? He used here distributive properties about 253 and 74. Right here, 74 in the space. Next question, question 13. 120 times 40, write double zero here, and 4 times 12 equal 48. Then the result will be 4,800. Question 14. 2,134 times 5. 4 times 5 equal 20. Write 0 and carry up 2. 3 times 5 equal 15 plus 2 equals 17. 7 and carry up 1. 1 times 5 equal 5 plus 1 equals 6. And 2 times 5 equal 10. Then the result here will be 10,670. Question 15. The ones digit of the product 3,594 times 93 will be equal space. Question 15. You want to find the ones. The ones here will be equal to, because 3 times 4 equal 12. Now we have 3,954 or 3,594 times 93. You want to find the ones digit of the product here. It will be 2, because 3 times 4 equal 12. 2 and carry up 1. So write 2. The result will be 2 about question 15. Question 16. The ones digit of the product 3,594. Okay. Question 16. The product of 799 times 12 is closer to the product of what? 800 times 10, because 799 is nearest to 800 and 12 is nearest to 10. Question 17. 3 times 5 plus 40 times 5 plus 3 times 90 plus 40 times 90 equals space times 95. We must add the second digit here. 5 plus 90 equal 95. And the first 3 plus 40, it will be 43. Okay, the result will be what? 43 times 95. Because 3 times 3 plus 40, 3 plus 40 equal 43. We must add 40 plus 3 equal 43. About question 17, write 43. Okay, we add 40 and 3. Next question, question 17. Okay, question 18. We have the table here, 40 and 7 and 10, 3. We know 10 times 40 equal 400. We can find the area of rectangle equal length times width. We have 40 and 7 and 10, 3. 10 times 40 equal 400 and 10 times 7 equal 70. 3 times 40 equal 120. 3 times 7 equal 21. Next question, 1000 times space equal 150,000. Who can tell me? We can cancel 3 zeros from this number. The result will be 150. Question 20. Choose the correct answer. Number 1. 4 times 85 plus 2 times 85 equals space times 85. We can add 4 plus 2 equals 6. Then you must write 6 in the space about question number 2. Again, 4 times 85 plus 2 times 85. We have the constant here. It will be 85. It's a constant. And 2 plus 4 equals 6. Question number 2, choose the third D. Question number 1, choose the D. Question number 2, if 5 times V equal 45, then V equal 45 divided by 5. 45 divided by 5 equal 9. Then V here equal 9. Question 3, 53 times space equal 53 times 4 plus 53 times 6. We must add 4 plus 6, it will be 10. Write 10 in the space. Question 4, 6 times 85 plus 2 times 85 equal space times 85. We must 6 and 2 add them. The result will be 8. Write 8 in the space. Question 5, 16 times 15 or 20 times 13. Right here it will be 2 times 13 equal 26, and write 0, and 16 times 15 equal what? 5 times 6 equals 13, where 30 is write 0 and carry up 1. 1 plus 5 again. 16 times 15, 5 times 6 equals 30, write 0 and carry up 3. 1 times 5 equals 5, plus 3 equals 8, and 1 times 16 equals 16, and write 0 by right hand side. And then 80 plus 160, the result will be 240. So 260 is greater than 240. Okay, question 7, 220 times 15 equal space here. Write 220 in the up and 15 in the down. And we can write 5 outside in the ones, and 22 times 15 right here. We solved question 7. Now we will solve question what? sorry, it was question 6. It will be question 6. Question 6. Okay. Which greater? We have here two numbers, 234 times 14, 243 times 14, or 324 14. We know 14 equal 14, then 243 is less than 324. Choose this then, because we have the difference between two numbers here. About question 6. Question 7, 220 times 15 equal what? We can write 0 outside and write 22 times 15 to find the result of 15 and 22. 22 times 15. 2 times 5 equal 10, 0 and carry up 1. 2 times 5 equal 10 plus 1 equal 11, plus and 0. 1 times 22 equal 22, and 8 110 to 220. The result will be 330, and then write 330 behind 0. The result will be 3,300. The result will be 330 tens or 3,300. Choose letter C. Right, 3,300. Choose letter C about question number 7. Because 330 tens we have in this answer in the question. You must choose letter C. Cancel double 0 from the number, and the result will be 3,300. 3,300. Okay, understood? Next question, question 8. What is the ones digit in the product? 34 times 103. He asked about the ones digit. It will be what? It will be 2, because 3 times 4 equal 12. 2 and carry up 1. Then the ones digit here will be equal to. Okay, choose letter A about question 8. Question 9. The product of 235 times 25 is closer to what? This number closer to what? We know 237 is nearest to 200, and 25 is nearest to 20. 200 here, and 25 nearest to 30. Okay, the result will be 6,000. Again, 25 nearest to 30. Then 30 times 200 equals 6,000. Choose letter B. Question number 10. The missing number in the product is, look at here, we have multiplication by 514 and 13, long multiplication between two numbers. Three times 4 equal 12, 2 and carry up 1, 1 times 3 equal 3 plus 1 equal 4, 3 times 5 equal 15, and then 1 times 4 equal 4, 1 times 1 equal 1, 1 times 5 equal 5, and then 8 them. 0 plus 2 equal 2, 4 plus 4 equal 8, 5 plus 1 equal 6, 5 plus 1 equal 6. Then the missing number here will be 1,542. The missing number in the product, it will be 1,542. Choose letter 1,542. Choose letter what? Again, 3 times 4 equal 12, 2 and carry up 1, 1 times 3 equal 3 plus 1 equal 4, 3 times 5 15, and then 2 plus 0 equals 0. Then the first here it will be choose letter D. Don't choose letter B, choose letter D about question 10. Okay, next question. Choose letter D, okay? Question 11. 40 times 32 plus 2 times 32 equals space times 32. We must add 40 to the digit 2. 40 plus 2 equals 42. Write 42 in the space. Question 12. What is the unknown value in the area model 35 times 475? We can draw the table here and divided it equality parts. First part 475, and here 30, and here 5. Right, 3 times 4 equal 12, and 5 times 4 equal 20, and write 0, 3 times 7 equal 21, write 0, 3 times 5 equal 15, write 0, 5 times 7 35, and 5 times 5 25. Then the unknown value in the area, it will be 12,000. Choose letter C. Next question. Question 13. A merchant bought 125 boxes of joys for 15 pounds each. How much money did he pay? We can find the total by multiplication. Two numbers, right? 125 times 15. We can write 15 equal 10 times plus 5, and then using distributive properties here, 125 times 10 and 125 times 5. 125 times 10, write 125 and write 0 behind it. And 125 times 5, 5 times 5 equal 25, write 5 and carry up 2. 2 times 5 equal 10, 10 plus 2 equal 12, 2 and carry up 1, 1 plus 5 equal 5 plus 1 equal 6. And 5 plus 0 equal 5, 2 plus 5 equal 7, and 6 plus 2 equal 8, and then write 1. The result will be 1,875. Question 14. 25 times 32 equal space hundreds. We must find the result about 5. Question what? 14. 25 times 32 equals space hundreds. The result will be 800. Write 25 up here. Okay, hundreds. Write 25 times 32. 2 times 5 equal 10, 0 and carry up 1, 2 times 2 equal 4 plus 1 equal 5, write 0, 3 times 5 equal 15, 5 and carry up 1, 2 times 3 equals 6 plus 1 equals 7, 0 plus 0 equals 0, 5 plus 5 equals 10, 0 and carry up 1, 7 plus 1 equals 8, and the result will be 800. Write 8 in the space. Question 15. 500 multiplication times 300 equal space hundreds. We know 3 times 5 equal 15. Question 15. 500 times 300 equal, write 40 here, and 3 times 5 equal 15. The result will be what? The result will be 1,500 hundredths. Right? 1,500 hundredths. Letter C. Okay. Question 16. A pair of shoes costs 500 Egyptian lira, which is 5 times as much as shirt costs. Then the shirt cost equals space lira. Who can tell me the result? 5 times what equal 500? We know 5 times 100. Then 500 divided by 5 equal 100 Egyptian lira. Question 17. Space times 1,000 equal 270,000. We can find the number by using division. The result will be 270. Question 18. 110 times 40 equal what? Write 00, and 4 times 11 equal 44. Question 19. 27 times 134 4 times 7 equal 28, write 8 and carry up 2. 3 times 7 equal 21, 21 plus 2 equal 23, write 3 and carry up 2. 1 times 7 equal 7 plus 2 equal 9, and then write 0. 2 times 4 equal 8, 2 times 3 equal 6, 2 times 1 equal 2, and then add them. 8 plus 0 equal 8, 3 plus 8 equal 11, 1 and carry up 1. Okay, I will solve this example again to no steps. Okay, my students. Multiplication to numbers. 134 times 27. 4 times 7 equal 28. Write 8 and carry up 2. 3 times 7 equal 21 plus 2 equal 23. Write 3 and carry up 2. 1 times 7 equals 7 plus 2 equal 9 plus 0. 2 times 4 equal 8. 2 times 3 equals 6. 2 times 1 equal 2. And then 8 plus 0 equal 8. 3 plus 8 equal 11. 1 and carry up 1. 10 plus 6 equals 16. 6 and carry up 1. 2 plus 1 equal 3. The result will be 3618. Choose letter A. Question 20. Muna put 31 boxes of joys for 25 Egyptian lira each. She paid space. We can find what she paid by multiplication. 31 times 25. 31 multiplication by 25. Okay, find she paid what the total number. 25 multiplication by 31. 1 times 5 equal 5. 1 times 2 equal 2 plus 0. 3 times 5 equal 15. 5 and carry up 1. 2 times 3 equals 6 plus 1 equals 7. Result will be what? 5 plus 0 equal 5. 2 plus 5 equals 7. And then write 7 outside. The result will be 775 Egyptian lira. Okay, choose letter B. Next question. Question number 3. Answer each of the following. Find the missing number here. Letter A. 123 times 0, then n will be equal what? N will be equal 0. Which letter B? 5 times m equals 35. Then m will be equal 7. Question number 2. 856 times 43. We can write this number. 865 times 40 plus 865 times 3. Write 0 and 4 times 5 equal 20. 0 and carry up 2. 4 times 6 equal 24 plus 2 equal 26. Write 6 and carry up 2. 4 times 8 equals 32. 32 plus 2 equals 34. And then 3 times 5 equal 15. 5 and carry up 1. 3 times 6 equal 18 plus 1 equal 19. 9 and carry up 1. 3 times 8 equal 24. 24 plus 1 equal 25. 8 them. 5 plus 0 equal 5. And 9 plus 0 equal 9. 5 plus 6 equal 11. 1 and carry up 1. 3 plus 4 equals 7. And then write 3 outside. The result will be 37,195. 35 times 25. 5 times 5 equal 25. Write 5 and carry up 2. 3 times 5 15 plus 2 equals 17 plus 0. 2 times 5 equals 10. 0 and carry up 1. 2 times 3 equals 6 plus 1 equals 7. 5 plus 0 equals 5. 7 plus 0 equals 7. 1 plus 7 equals 8. The result will be 875.